A third of the almost 300,000 girls and women reported missing in the U.S. in 2020 were Black. That is according to the National Crime Information Center. And yet those cases often get little attention or are all but ignored by law enforcement and national news media.
In 2023 alone, nearly 280,000 women were reported missing. Minorities make up 40% of missing persons, though they only represent 13% of the population. Since then, the numbers for missing and exploited Black women and children has surged. Many of their cases receive little media coverage. Many never trigger urgent responses. Families are left waiting, unheard and unseen. Besides the concerning number of cases of missing Black women, there's something far more sinister going on: the exploitation of Black women for their organs and cells, preferably stem cells. And here lies the truth behind the power of the Black woman and what she produces. A clip from 2022, now circulating online, appears to show billionaire and former fashion mogul Peter Nygor and other unnamed men allegedly offering money to a group of Black women for their eggs during a televised conversation about stem cell research. Nygor, known for his long history of sexual assault and sex trafficking allegations, has faced accusations of allegedly offering Black women money for their DNA, eggs, and stem cells. These allegations are related to Nygard's interest in stem cell therapy and his decades-long history of exploiting vulnerable women. Genetic perfection. In social media clips that circulated in September 2025, Nygard is seen discussing a procedure called SCNT, somatic cell nuclear transfer. During the discussion, he states that Black women, particularly from Africa, have a genetic perfection that he wants to acquire. For years, Nygard has been interested in and pursued stem cell research with the goal of reversing the aging process and achieving immortality for himself. He also allegedly impregnated numerous women and paid for their abortions to harvest the resulting stem cells. Criminal charges. Following numerous allegations and lawsuits, Nygard was arrested and indicted on federal charges in the U.S. in 2020 for sex trafficking and racketeering. In 2023, he was convicted of sexual assault charges in Canada and sentenced to 11 years in prison. The accusations of offering Black women money for their eggs adds another layer to Nygard's alleged exploitation, specifically linking his predatory behavior to his obsession with stem cell research and extending his lifespan. Lately, everyone's talking about the Black wife effect, men saying their lives glowed up after marrying or dating a Black woman. On the surface, it sounds like a compliment, proof that Black women carry a special kind of power, confidence, creativity, healing energy. But beneath it, there's something deeper, because when that power is admired but not respected, it turns into exploitation. It's the same pattern history shows, people recognizing a Black woman's light, but still using it for their own benefit, never asking if she's being poured back into. They all know the powers that so-called Black women hold. Some choose to exploit it and misuse it, while others choose to handle it with care. However, we must remain vigilant of this exploitation and to guard our bodies and powers at all costs, because they know what we hold. But do we know?